guys and girls, hope you're good. This is Phil Osmond back for a vlog. Nice shirt and nice before shot. Which one do I prefer? Beast or less of a beast? I'm loving this look again, it's fantastic. Right, people that come to see me in the UK. Most people come and see me and I'm always, as I keep on saying, always able to attach a sample to your scalp. We are located very close to a train station in Yate, connecting from Bristol Temple Meads and Parkway. We have great bus services, Megabus and the National that go into Bristol City Centre, and then people catch a bus number 47 and ask the driver to drop off next to the turn-in. It's a pub that fortunately is shut down now, so you won't be seeing me in there, and then come in for a consultation. When it's a long journey over 200-300 miles to come and see me, we've obviously got affiliates around the UK, which is great, but I obviously like to see everyone as much as possible. One of the consultants here, Stuart or Alex, come along and see a consultant and see the place basically. If it's over 200 miles away, you know, you got FaceTime, we got WhatsApp on video, just a 10-minute, 15-minute kind of chat. WhatsApp, yeah, and then get to know each other like that, and then come in. I Skype by appointment, but what I generally do with Skype is I ask people to study the template video. Olivia or Alex or Megan sends that out to leads that inquire to have a good look at that, and if you can get a helper to help you, then I make templates over Skype. The success rate is amazing. I got one wrong so far. That's incredible, isn't it? It's over Skype and everything, one wrong. And that wasn't all my fault. It was a micropigmentation guy from Israel, and one. So it's not so bad, is it? Outside of the UK, always Skype first. Get to know people on Skype. Do it regularly, and it's quite good fun actually making templates with people from international outside the UK. Because I'm sat with cellophane on my head, the client sat with cellophane on his head, and we're doing this together if they haven't got a helper. So there's many ways that you can get to have a hair system, okay? And everything's really available. So make sure you give all the information as possible when you inquire, and then we can either book a Skype or you come down to see me. So there we go, guys. I'm available. So's Stuart, so's Alex, so's Megan. So come down to HQ and we can go from there. Take care, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.